How to use Bitwarden two-factor authentication login. So this is an option that Bitwarden offers you to give you an extra layer of protection and security to keep all of your items into your vault absolutely safe. So for that purpose, you're just going to go onto the account setting onto your desktop app, and then you're going to click on two-step login. The two-step login make sure that your account is more secure by requiring you to verify your login with another device such as a security key, an authenticator app, an SMS, phone call, email. So two-step login can be, set up on bitwarden.com web vault directly. So let's just visit that quickly. So right here, I was prompted to enter in my email and login details and the password as well. And this is us logging in and adding in the two-factor authentication on to your specific area. Now, right here into your vault, bitwarden.com, you're going to head over to your settings, and into your settings, you're going to head over to the security section. And right here, you're going to click on two-step login, where you can permanently create two verification step-ups. The first one could be to have an additional step when logging in. So the first, you'll have to keep in mind that setting up two verification login can permanently lock you out of your Bitwarden account if you do not find the recovery code. All right, so let's just quickly view the recovery code. This is our password, and then let's continue on to viewing the recovery code. So let's just set up a two-factor verification right here. And once you set up the two-factor verification, you will be prompted to log in two different ways. All right. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Be sure to give a like, comment down below, and also subscribe.